up. Make sure say when you post me video, you talk it through them when me talking. You know, say somebody just tag say Kingmixup over here. Nobody gonna mix up, not the Kingmixup. Make sure Kingmixup, you talk it how it go. No put in nothing in it. No add in no sugar, no add in no salt. Anyway.
Yo, brother, I'm tired. I don't know I put me in a dirty category, brother. And I put me in some place where I'm not supposed to belong. Or where I'm not even belong. Bumble, big body boy. What kind of thing that I see you put up about say your police beat a Rygin? What kind of thing that? When you see me on police encounter, big body boy, how comes in and I put up nothing about my music and they sitting there? Eh? How comes in and I put up about my foundation and I give people wheelchair, big body boy? How come I see you not do none of them sitting there? I this in the live for. Go suck out your mama, man. Psalms 91 against no bumbo clad. I'm done still my Psalms 35 and 91 you. Go suck your mama body boy. And stop involve me in a little mediocre impunity, brother. I want to have done a dirt down a Jamaica youth and go suck your mama boy. Yeah.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen. Yeah, my peeps, we have a whole bunch of dancehall criminals to deal with, so it's extremely important you watch the end so you don't miss a thing. Now, you heard one informant in the beginning that tried to style up the king. Yeah, we're not talking about Rygin, we're talking about Kingmixup. You see, man, I said, well, we're going to fix up in business accordingly because he's worried about his bad man image because we said police beat him up and fling him out time rascal at a wheelchair and broke that up. He's not worried about the snitching part, yeah. And he's not even denying the allegations as you heard in the voice note. I'm never even too concerned with that part there. As you can see, my intel in the courtroom said that from last year, Rygin King a snitch. And he's definitely one. And him wife leave him on a bag of things. So let's get into it, people. Like and share the video up and up on our social media platforms and things. Now back to the informing part. As you can see, people are hearing him verbally and orally being interviewed by the police. Yes. And they also heard that, you know, the body cam footage was also played from the officer. So, not only did he snitch in court, he actually snitched before he went to jail for them 3 days where him couldn't get bail. People putting in the comment section what you think about that. No. The person went on to say that him bleach out now and him look like ish. You see, man, I say he's also broke and everybody would name him a card like Bounty Killer and Vibes Cartel. It's a hype. He might look for comeback because him think bad. You see, man, I say because I'm a walk around with piss bag. And not only that, my people, he's an illegal immigrant, so, you know, he's going to be deported after him served them 15 years in a prison, isn't it? And him but all of him breach them because his rent is always unpaid. He's always looking a loan from regular people. And he's wearing fake clothes. And when the fake site them send him, you know, the wrong size, he tries to sell it to him friend them, which he does, because them feel sorry for him. But when they go to the store and try to authenticate it, them said these are knockoffs and our company do not make low products. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. The person said a wife leave Rygin King and she's the only one that has the papers. You see my answer? And everyone that was tight with him is not alright with him right now. And I'm not chat with him. As I told you, the people them said his wife left him. They be at court because, you know, she got locked up because of him. That same night and charged with gun. You see, man says they don't speak when they go to court. His baby moms, you know, it's not feeling him as well. And she used to, you know, help and bail him out of the apartment. Him can't pay the rent. You know, him they bust up a mort and pit him out with the knockers. You see, man say, yeah, he's just no stinker. No one wants to help him. And then this everybody around him and him used to say 6 and all of them thing there, but no, them not protect him, so he must say 7. You know what I mean? A joke business, the man are going with me now, go tell you no lie, my peeps. So all in all, he's definitely going to be deported because him get turned down by immigration 3 times. You see me, I said germs, and you're going to be deported back to Jamaica where nobody don't like you in your neighborhood, and they know that you was broke and was hiding that you couldn't walk all of them long, yeah, and you said my platform mediocre, but yeah, beg me for promote your idiot music. Move your blood clot, you see me, my peeps. Next 2 weeks, yes, because I might go back to court and sing, not like an artist, like a rat. And we're going to get that audio, and we're going to play it for the world, right? So make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell from now. You see what I'm saying? So you'll be notified when we drop the update. Anyway, let's proceed. Now, I want to give you one more update before Squash is sentenced by the judge, because you know, said the feds, they updated the court system and they did not recommend him forget any reduction on the one charge he's facing, and you know that's 15 years maximum with 3 years supervised released. They did drop one charge and that took away 10 years. But on the charge remaining, they didn't recommend to the judge that he get more or less, you know, so it's up to the judge discretion. And you know, these redneck states, with Trump in office, they're going to more likely give him 15 years before them deport him and fine him $250,000 US. But he's not at the woodworks yet, because he pled guilty for being a gang leader, my people. As you can see right there, the United States of America versus Andre Maurice Whitaker, aka Squash, aka Six Bar. So him pleading guilty in his case, it's not going to make his case, J-Man case, any better, because you know he's listed as a gang leader in that case, and he was snitched on by Hellgates being at the murder scene. You know what I mean? Watching J-Man, Duppy, Fredman and Muscle, or whatever these people is. You see what I say? So now that he pled guilty in film case, they're going to be charging him in this RICO. Yeah, my people, it's not a good look for Squash right now, you know. Because they might try to connect him to several murders, and you know those charges carry a death penalty. In Florida, you see me, you know, Hellgate's Bones is dead and he plays Squash at the scene of the Lauderhill crime. You know what I mean? And that's why the prosecutors in J-Man case wants to talk to Squash. You see me, I say, J-Man, as you can see, has 2 cases against him, but these are both the same case. Now, the reason why you see capital homicide, because that's the original case. But as I told you, J-Man is no snitching as well, because the cops saved his life because Squash them shot in his neck when them did up with them 2 boy there. You know what I mean? So the cops had to airlift him to a next, a better hospital. You see me? So they're going to get a whole bunch of promotion and all of them things out of J-Man case. So that's why you see capital homicide in the 1st degree. If it doesn't go through with the snitching. You see me? No time for some good news. Dancehall King Vibes Cartel is, you know, taking the genre to a next level when them people that take freedom genre back to prison. So I'm out here celebrate MC Nuffy birthday, you see me?
Nuffy.
Yes.
Your birthday. What on over here?
Yeah.
Give me a glass.
Yes. I will have glass. Come in,
See
one
that?
skull.
Forward
Yeah.
Moon Skull. Happy 50th birthday, Nuffy.
50th birthday.
With the England.
Oh, you mean?
We go for the bag. Here Jamal say.
Oh, you mean?
From back high class up what the dance do. To them. Cheers. More life and blessing, Nuffy. Forward there.
Wow. Lemon and salt?
Oh, yes. Hold the lemon and salt. Big bum buckler client in my iPhone and when me call and a dial tone, me make $1 million fast. My dog knock on the client door. We live in high fraud. You not see me in the Japan clothes. You have salt on my hands, good. Nuffy.
Yeah, we're drinking.
Oh.
We're drinking. We're drinking. We're drinking. Watch your shots.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Watch your shots. I'm here at
When you ready, you know. Sculling on me in soul every day. My light I can't go all the money about soap. Sacrifice the big notes. I 30 mil for it. Oh, yes, I lick first? Yes. Why? Ready? Yeah. Go! Lemon. Oh, shit.
I didn't never go for no lemon. On my birthday, so.
Wifey, man.
I'm not strong. And the gentleman I make sure say everything's strong.
Remember that. One Mr. Nelson.
And one Mr. Nelson, man. Give
Big
thanks
up Miss
and praise.
Nelson anyway. Then.
Miss Nelson, anywhere you're there. Big up yourself.
Yeah,
One
me.
Kim. One Kim.
And big up the twin them.
Yeah.
Cause the devil did a fight, but God win them.
Yo. 3 man desire. And for them retire. Yo. What's it require? Yo. Postcard.
Money reach a land, then they run, they can't joke. Every day we like to count the whole of money, but it's soap.
And the earth strong.
Give them this side now. Yeah,
Don't
don't the
smash
bag
shades.
whatever fuck. See, don't smash shades, yeah. Low fee.
Low feet.
Now what
Yeah.
to run to? From back high class, look what it done so.
You ready?
See you lean at the lane, girl, in front too.
Yeah, that's what things set, man.
Why?
Yeah.
Why, boy, same thing set, man? Come on.
Yeah, it's a good look. People, you know, say them pop up Lola doll yesterday, you know, in a Guyana, you know. I don't know why, you know, but them people are in a bag of things and them know people out for them and things. So when I get further information, I'll do an official review on she. You know what I mean? But don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when y'all get the good thing done. You see me? Yes.